Hello everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious spinach sauce. It's simple, quick, and pairs beautifully with both rice and pasta. Let's get started. First, grab a bag of fresh spinach. I recommend organic if you can. Wash it thoroughly. You'll notice how vibrant and fresh the leaves look once they're clean. Next, take a small handful of cashew nuts, place them in a bowl, and rinse them well before blending. Now, add the spinach to a blender, along with half a cup of water. Blend for about 1 to 2 minutes until smooth. Pour the blended spinach into a pot or skillet. Add a little vegetarian salt and a drizzle of olive oil. While the spinach sauce is cooking, blend the soaked cashew nuts until they become a creamy mixture. If needed, add just enough water to get that smooth texture. After about 5 minutes of cooking, pour the cashew cream into the spinach sauce. Stir everything together until well combined. And just like that, your creamy spinach sauce is ready to serve. Spinach is a real nutritional powerhouse. It's low in calories, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and considered a true superfood. Flavor-wise, it has more depth than lettuce, but is much milder than kale, making it both nutritious and delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Your support truly means the world to me. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your spinach sauce.